Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create a line graph with multiple lines. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see the data and you can see the sales of juices, Tommy and Cooler with different month. So if I want to add juicy and Tommy value in the line graph, so first I selected the juicy and Tommy value. So after that I will click on insert, and here you will see line insert option. So just click on it, and here you can add any chat on the line graph. So when I will click on it, you can see line graph is added on the sheet. So you can see the value of juicy and Tommy is showing on the graph. So if I want to add Cooler value, so just click the right side of mouse, and here you can see select data option. So just click on it, and then you will see add option. So just click on it, and then name the series. For example, I am writing Cooler. So after that you will see series value. So here select the whole values of Cooler. So after that click on OK. So again click on OK. So you can see Cooler value is also added in the line graph. So if you want to hide any one value, so again click the right side of mouse, and then again select the data, and here you will see juicy, Tommy and Cooler. So you can see different values according to you. So if I want to hide this value, so just unhide this value and then click on OK. You can see this value is hidden. So if you want to show again, so just again click on the right side of mouse, and then click on select data, and then again select juicy value. So after that click on OK. You can see this value as again appear on the line graph. So if you want to hide or remove permanently, so you can also do it. So again click the right side of mouse, and here you can see select data, and then you will see remove option. So select anyone which you want to remove permanently. So for example, I want to remove Tommy value permanently, so selecting this and then click the remove option. So after click on it, then click on OK. So you can see this value is completely removed. So guys, if you want to edit any value, so just click on it, and here you can see edit option. So select anyone which you want to add. So here you can change series name and series value. So after editing, click on OK. So guys, in this way you can add a line graph with multiple line. So if you want to change the position of line graph, then press the left side of mouse and drag anywhere which you want to kept line graph. So after that, if you want to resize of your line graph, and you will see small circle at the corner side. So here press the left side of mouse and then move. So in this way you can adjust the size of line graph. So guys, in this way you can add line graph with multiple line. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.